Today's Saturday. It's already 1 o'clock. I had to cut my grass in the morning, and it was past 11 o'clock in the morning. So I got really hot. Had to relax for an hour. But now we're going to the what is it? Museum. It's an art gallery. We're gonna go check it out, and it should be fun. So we're at the Augusta Museum of Art. Weird thing with parking here, all of the parking is reserved for employees through the whole week. The only thing is, on Saturday and Sunday, all spaces are available for museum parking. So if you come here on any other day but Saturday and Sunday, none of the parking is available for you. Only Saturday and Sunday if you're visiting the museum. This is the sign. And we've been here previously, and again, you can't park anywhere. All of them are reserved. And this is the Augusta Museum of Art. And that right there is the river walk. And the river is right across this hill. So we're going to the museum. It's called the Morris Museum of Art. Looks like a real nice building. I'm not sure if we need to go upstairs. Looks like we gotta go to the second floor here for the museum. So the museum has a gift shop store here, and we're actually buying our tickets here as well.
There's a lot, I don't know if Jason mentioned to you, a lot of kid activities throughout the month. Oh, really? Yeah.
So here's the map of the museum. I'm gonna start right here at the main lobby. 19th century and all the way through Civil War to temporary. What is this? American paintings from the collection of Wesleyan College, and then go out through this outside corridors, the main lobby again. It's like a little labyrinth. Pretty cool. They're 19th century portraits. This is how I know. I don't know who these people are. And as you can see, people had cats before too, and the baby wouldn't let the cat go for the picture. This is the Civil War room. Look at this huge painting. This is the next exhibit. This is the still live paintings. So apparently the fees are not $8 an adult. $5 for an adult, and actually $3 for students. So just a little correction there. So $5 for adults, $3 for students. If this is a pretty big picture. So then there's the playroom. Takan. So this is the abstraction room. It's a big porcelain looking sculpture. There's their emojis. So we just came through two exhibits that I couldn't video or take photos in. But this one is the hallway now, the southern landscapes. Look at this, so beautiful. And that's the little gift shop. That's the main lobby, and you can actually get out onto the river walk here. But before I do, there's a glass art as well. A glass art exhibit. Very, very cool glass art. There's a miniature kitchen made of glass as well. It has a menu on there. And we're finishing with the river walk. This is the river walk, that's the upper level, and that one right there is the lower level. So I don't know if you can see it, but right over there it's an alligator swimming in the Savannah River, and it's pretty large. Like right over there, you can see his head and his tail, and he's going upriver. Look at this friendly sign we just saw. Right after we saw the alligator. So yeah, it's summertime, it's warm, snakes are out. Watch your feet. So if you want a tour on the Savannah River, they do Patriot tour boat tours here. And so we went through the museum and a little bit of a river walk, and now we're gonna go grab some cold brews to what's the cafe? New Moon Cafe. I'll go check it out. So we're on Broad Street, and we passed it earlier a couple of days ago. A lot of little cafes and restaurants here, and actually a lot of different places. So looks like a pretty cool street. There's a New Moon Cafe. I didn't realize we're already here. So apparently in Augusta people know how to make coffee. Yeah, this is good coffee. So we're still at the New Moon Cafe here. Ended up staying here a little longer. Got to talk to all these people around here. The people who work here, the guy from the bookstore across the hall here. And I got me a frappe, which is amazing. My wife got a cold brew, and we only paid like $6, $7, so things are like half cheaper than in Atlanta. Also, they have this really cool coffee here. It's called the affogato. It's basically an ice cream with espresso on top and a cookie. So I think that's like their signature thing. If you're gonna come visit the New Moon Cafe, definitely come get the affogato probably first. But yeah, these drinks are amazing. They really have good coffee here as well. Again, don't forget to rate your places, the places you visit on Google. A lot of people look at those ratings. Especially if you own a business, make sure you put your business on Google, because that's how we find these places. There's really not another good source to find stuff like this. This is awesome. I like the New Moon Cafe. So if you bring your kids here, they actually have a kids table with a chalkboard. I don't know if you guys noticed yet, but Augusta is really big on art. A lot of art. And they do make smoothies, veggie smoothies, fruit smoothies, and again different kind of coffees as well. They do sell pastries. There are also pastries in here. And a lot of seating area. So I'm sure there's always space to sit here. There it is in action. The kids' table, the chalkboard. So we came to the river, put the boat in the water, and it started pouring rain, like pouring rain. I'm all wet. I got soaked. But it's not supposed to rain right now. The weather says 30% chance of rain. It means that thing is just a cloud passing by. And we're just gonna try to wait it out and go for a ride after it's done. So I think it's starting to clear out now. Maybe a couple more minutes and we're gonna jump on the boat and go to the, we're gonna try to go upstream to the dam, and we'll see, maybe we'll catch something. Look at this rainbow. It starts right from the river. Look at it, how beautiful it is. Just sitting there, idling, waiting for us. Off we go. Here we are on the lake, on the river, Savannah River. It's beautiful and it's calm. It's almost 8 o'clock. Let me show you my fish finders. So this is the one that is connected. That's the Ray Marine Whitefish fish finder, and it connects to my iPad, and it's a chirp. Basically it shows me trash and weeds and fish a little better than this one. This one I still kept here to see the fish signals, fish signs, so I can learn this one a little better. And eventually I think I'll get rid of that and keep this one on. There's the dam. I picked up the speed, and as soon as I did, we arrived to the dam. So apparently it's really close. I didn't realize that. I'm currently at 5 feet. So if you're coming here with a boat, you gotta be really careful, because you can get stuck. So yeah, you can definitely just drop an anchor here and just relax for a little bit, a little fishing. At 5 feet, it's not bad. Maybe some striper around here. But there's the dam. Oh, running at 4 feet here. Let me take to the left a little, next to the locks. 8 foot. There's a big sandbar right there, and that's why I knew it's gonna be shallow. So far there's some fishermen over there. There's lines here. We can't really go that way because there are lines. So we're back home now. I didn't record the rest of the trip just because we're just busy controlling the boat and trying to fish and all that. We basically stayed at the dam. I had to turn around because of the fishing lines, and I went back around that sandbar, and I went to the buoys that basically prevent you from going at the to the dam itself, and I hooked my boat to the buoys, and we just stayed there. I had some down rigs, I had some umbrella rigs in the water, and I was casting atop water for a striper, and we stayed there for maybe an hour, actually less than an hour, because yeah, less than an hour, and we had to leave because a storm was coming, a really big storm, and it was getting really dark really fast because of all the clouds, and so we did just turn around and wrapped up and went home. But yeah, the lower ramp at the bluff locks there, it's really close. It's like half a mile to the dam, and so as soon as I went up and I went around the corner, I could see the dam already, and it really just took us a couple of minutes to get there. So I barely used any gas or anything. And when we came back, there was a lot of people who were trying to get out, to get their boats out of the water and trying to go home. So it was a little headache. So, and that's why I didn't record anything. I was just trying to get by, get into my car and go. But yeah, it was a nice trip overall. We got rained on and all that, but I'm dry now. Weather here is pretty warm. It's warm. It's in the 80s right now, so I dried up pretty fast. But the trip was nice. We enjoyed it a lot, and we're definitely going back there again sometimes later. Tomorrow is Sunday, and we're gonna go find a church. We want to go visit a church which is actually in South Carolina. It's gonna be quite a ride. It'll be an hour ride to there, but I'm gonna go check it out. So we'll do that, and then we'll see what's happening on Monday. So yeah, if you want to see any of my future videos, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. That way you will get the notifications for new videos. And like this video if you like it, dislike it if you dislike it, or leave a comment and let me know if you want me to change something. Thanks for watching.